Hello and welcome to another video. Terrible lighting, and for some reason the quality is subpar, even though I'm using my S8. Hello and welcome to another video. In 60 frames per second, 1080p. You may notice that the setting is a little bit different. This is a cat. Hey, cat. This is a Toshiba C55D B3110. Sorry, C55D B310 that I got for free, and it has an issue where the boot, well, it doesn't so much have a BIOS password, but it has a boot password, and they forgot the password. And I'm assuming that the person lawfully owned the laptop, and it wasn't, stolen. But, let's go with that. There's an instruction video on YouTube that states that basically you take out all the screws, and then you short across some terminals, and then it should clear the, pretty sure, I don't know if it clears the CMOS or if it clears the just password portion. This is really hurting my knees, and I wish I had my tripod. But I don't have my tripod. For reasons that I'll go into maybe later. I also don't have any of my computers, except for this one, and the computer I'm going to edit this on, the video. I also don't have my car anymore. I have a car. I don't have my old car. Sorry about that jump cut. The other cat got in the way. But now maybe more people will watch my videos because I have cute cats. Probably not. But it's worth a shot. Invest in some cats and then you get more video views. That is not food. If you eat those, you'll die. And demonetized because they said the D word. Okay, so I'm going to need to flip this over, so I'm going to pause this. So instead of spending 15 minutes trying to explain... So instead of trying to spend 15 minutes explaining how to jump it and failing to do so, take the back off your computer. I assume you can do that. Have really crappy lighting. That's the second step you need. Okay. And then have really thick accent like this, and the whole camera like this, and go, okay, YouTube, this is how we do it. Camera upside down. It's okay, I know fixed clip. As I was saying, go find the JPW. Yeah, I'm not even going to try to bother to show that. Look for, there we go. God, it finally took forever to focus. Look for that little tiny guy there. Labeled JPW. I apologize for the horrible lighting. This, oh my god, I need to get back into doing videos. Can you even see what I'm doing? So basically plug in your laptop and short this posterior JPW while pressing the power button. After you do that, you'll see something like this. Your computer's starting back up. You need to put the After you do that and put the memory back in, you'll see something like this. Your computer starting up. Okay, now you press the power button, plugging your laptop in. It'll start up. And it'll tell you that the battery's low. You'll just hit F10 to save and exit. Well, actually, probably want to go to, just do the defaults, factory defaults. Through F9. Yeah, load factory defaults, that's fine. No, I'm going to save them. So load and then do save and exit, which is F10. God, the keyboard on this laptop is disgusting. Need to clean it off. Yeah, then I go to preparing automatic repair. I'm going to see if it even finishes up. Because last time it asked me for the password. So instead of wasting everyone's time, I'm going to skip through this and see if I get anywhere. Okay, I usually don't speak disparagingly to the last person that owned a computer because, you know, some people are usually in certain, you know, circumstances and stuff like that. Can't really judge, etc., etc., but I know the last person on this computer, they were disgusting. This is just from a light scrubbing. Not even like getting in the cracks. This is just soaking the towel in it, rubbing alcohol, and then just wiping it over the keyboard. I got this much dirt. That's just gross. So I'm trying to get it past the automatic repair. And, not having much luck. Might be a toasted hard drive, but I'll look into how to get the, into the BIOS. Yeah, it keeps saying loading automatic repair. And then it just doesn't do anything. So I'll see where I can take it from here. So what I did was, after shorting those pins, it reset the BIOS. And then, the way Toshiba laptops work is there's user BIOS, user password, supervisor password, and master password. They can also be applied to both the BIOS, the hard drive, and settings, which doesn't really make sense because settings is the same as BIOS. After shorting the pins and clearing the CMOS battery, I then got the prompt that said battery low, reset time and date. After I did that, I went in to the BIOS that way. If you go into the BIOS, normally I ask for the passwords, which I don't have. But what was going on was, since I don't have the password, I can't enter the BIOS. But if you clear the CMOS battery settings and wait for the time and date is incorrect message, then go in and change it that way, it gives you unlimited access to the BIOS because it auto-fills in the master password. Then there, you can actually turn off the master password without inserting the password. I know, that's great. Security. So after I did that, I was able to get back into the BIOS, and then I'm trying to load the recovery partition of the hard drive, or at least somehow get to safe mode, but it's not really letting me do that because it's just going to a black screen. But here's where we are right now. So, several hours later, I managed to get somewhere with the laptop. I decided to burn Ubuntu 18.04 to a USB to make this a burner laptop, because I have no intention of wanting to keep whatever files are on this computer. It seems to me that the version of Windows that is installed on this computer is corrupt, and I have no interest in reinstalling Windows because I already have multiple computers that run Windows. I, however, want to test the capabilities of Ubuntu Linux on this laptop, because why not? And because I'm bored, and because it's a free laptop. Why not make it a Linux laptop? Then I can be an Elite Hacksaw XDDDDDDDDD colon 3 semicolon 3. Here's the anticlimactic ending for now. The hard drive seems to have given up the ghost. I tried Ubuntu on this one, and I tried fresh install of Windows 10. Kaput. Nothing. Get stuck on that screen there. Check the hard drive using Linux, and it's like, your hard drive is bad. And, okay. Probably because the laptop was dropped on its corner there. The shock probably went through. Hit the hard drive that's here. So yeah, that's where we're gonna end it until I get a new hard drive. Sorry this video wasn't too super exciting, but I wanted to put something out because I haven't had anything up in, honestly, about 7 months. I put that one video up 3 months ago, but you know. So probably be doing more videos soon. Probably not super soon, not like daily uploads or weekly uploads. I ran out of content to post. Those were scheduled, and I haven't been making content in almost 6 months. So yeah, look for something sometime in some part, probably 2019, maybe if you're lucky, end of 2018.